Happy Friday night. I am Lady Mascara. I am drinking Stella Rosa. This is Stella Rosa. Sometimes when I have a good feeling, I am drinking wine. This wine is almost 2 years now because if I have a good feeling, I am drinking within once in 2 months like that. I drink only one glass like this, and then I'm eating barbecue chicken. And then my husband planting a peanut in the farm, and then they have left to planting the peanut in the farm, and then I will fry it. This is the peanut. I put a garlic and a chili oil. It's good. It's a crunchy. This one is crunchy. Good. Really, really good. And then the wine. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Love you all. Ingat. God bless. Bye-bye.